Hello everyone, today I'm preparing a nice chicken salad. It's going to have a lot of different fruits in it and nuts, so I will post all the ingredients at the end of the description box below. So if you need to try out this recipe, you can go ahead and do that. So again, today on the menu we'll be having chicken salad. So we're going to go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to set the camera. It's going to be more of an overhead shot so that you guys can see me mix all these ingredients in. It's a very simple recipe. It's a nice side dish. So again, let's go ahead and get started. Salad. So I would go ahead and let you know what ingredients I'll be using. We have here chicken, we have celery and apples, we have red grapes, we have sour cream, we have mayo, cranberries, and pieces of walnut. And those are the ingredients that we'll be using. So we go ahead and remove everything, and pretty much we're just adding everything to the dish. We're gonna add the celery and the apples and all of those nice grapes here. And I forgot to mention I had a little bit of green onion that I didn't mention. And we're gonna put that nice chicken in. Pretty much this is just chicken breast cut up that I used, and we're going to add the cranberries and walnuts. And what we're going to do is I'm going to just switch bowls. It's better that way. Bigger bowl. We're just going to dump everything back in. All that celery, apples, grapes and cranberries and chicken and walnuts. A nice dish. Here we're just going to add the sour cream. Make it nice and creamy. And then we're going to add the mayo. So the next thing I want to do is also add a little bit of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but I'm using garlic powder, maybe a good tablespoon. And then we will be using some parsley flakes as well. Ooh, that's not enough coming out. Let's just open that up. Parsley flakes, that's probably a good tablespoon as well. As you guys know, I eyeball my measurements. That's what I do. We just mix all this together. This is chicken salad. Last time I had a chicken salad, I lived in the States. Since I've been here in Canada, I haven't had chicken salad. So it was on my mind the other day, let's make chicken salad. And that's what I'm doing. Sharing this recipe with you guys. You guys can try it at home. Great recipe. Again, it's a great side dish. It goes great in the summertime for sure when you're having picnics and barbecues. It goes really well with that. You see how colorful that is? That looks nice, right? And the celery makes it crunchy, and the walnuts make it crunchy as well. serving bowl. It was very quick. This is a quick dish if you pretty much just prepare all the ingredients beforehand. You prepare everything beforehand, then you got it going. It'll go very fast. Again, like I always tell you guys, I do things fast because I have a large family. So I always like to have things already prepared. Okay, so there you guys go. We have a nice, we're just gonna sprinkle a couple more parsley flakes on